Here I have XIAOMI 13 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button battery saver. So by tap on it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. So for example, you can set it to don't wake screen for notifications, you can turn off always on display, you can set it to turn off this mode automatically when device is 50% or fully charged, and you can set up schedule time to switch between modes. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.